I'm just gonna keep rolling, guys. I just filmed the Leonardo Dunk Low, if that's what you want to call it, and I'm just gonna roll straight into this Vertebrae right here. This one releases right now. There's no hold on it. This is your Summit White University Red. Dudes, this has been probably my most polarizing shoe that I've made a video on, next to maybe the Billie Eilish shoe, but boy, people either love or hate this shoe. I'm just gonna go ahead and get right into it. Here it is. This is the second coloration of the Vertebrae by NikeSB. Again, it's all white upper with little red hits. This material, people were saying it looks like it's gonna tear up. No, this is super durable. So this is very hard. It's some kind of cloth or whatever, but it's embossed, so it's really hard. I think it's going to hold up really well. Another comment people have been making is like the perforations right in the ollie area. Dude, these came really quick behind the first color, so I haven't had a chance to skate these. I think Irving's actually going to skate these. We don't think that perforation is going to have any effect on the ollie area, but to be determined. This is an $85 shoe, so you're thinking 35 bucks less than an Ashad. So that's pretty good. Or maybe 25 bucks. 25 bucks less than an Ashad. So you're saving a good bit of money. So take that into account. This one has your hidden lace loops as well. So no extra laces with this because you're not going to pop those laces. Guys, the amount of shoes, like what you guys are comparing this to is blowing my mind. I don't think this has looked like, I don't think one person has said, oh, it looks just like the insert shoe silhouette here, and it is rung true with me. I don't think it looks like anything that you guys are saying it looks like, and it especially doesn't look like any kind of Air Max, which, man, y'all are crazy thinking this looks like an Air Max. But you do have this kind of like vertebrae bone pattern with like the ribs coming out of here. A lot of you guys pointed out that looks like a particular brand logo, and you're not wrong. But I still think it looks pretty cool. Looks better than that brand logo. Again, like I was saying, the shoe is $85, so it is what you call a price point shoe. So instead of comparing this to like a Zoom tray that was like super high tech, or even a Dunk or an Ashad, compare this to a Team Classic or a Force 58, because that's what you're going for. That is the price line that this falls in between. Not super cheap, but also not $115 like a pair of Dunks. So there you go. So I think these look pretty good. The suede toe cap is going to be super skatable. I don't think you're going to blow through this super quick. To be determined. This shoe just came out, so we haven't had a chance to skate it. I have seen other reviews out there of people skating in this shoe, so maybe check that out. Got this little mesh breathable panel on the toe, so you got some breathability. The whole tongue is mesh, so you got some breathability there. And then something else people have been saying is like, man, I might get that as a running shoe. So you can tell with this one, since it's a one color sole, there's less breaks in that material than you would think so. On the last one, you had a different color bottom versus the outsole was like, I think all of this was white and then it was navy on the bottom. This is all rubber. So it might look like you have all this like running shoe foam up here, but it's actually rubber. So it's going to give you a little bit more durability for skating instead of that foam stuff that the foam would wear down, and also over time foam cracks and just ages and crumbles. So this does not have that foam that people are mistaking this for. This is actually a rubber outsole. So heel flips, that's going to be pretty durable. So anyway, there you go. This is a look at your Vertebrae, your second color. I think this shoe looks pretty good. The guys at the shop are pretty hyped on it. I think people see something new and flip out and they just don't like it. But if I was comparing this right here to a Force 58 or an alley-oop in the skate line, this is way better. It's just designed, it has more intentionality. Is that the word I'm looking for? It's got more intent. It's got more skate design built into it, whereas the aforementioned shoes just look like poor man's dunks. And I think like putting some thought into a actual skate shoe that is targeted towards somebody who's looking to save a little bit of money, I think that's pretty sick. So you have a really nice looking shoe with its own silhouette, its own story. It just doesn't look like a Dunk ripoff, and I think that's awesome. So maybe you love it, maybe you hate it. There's definitely a ton of you that hate it out there, but I think this shoe, it's awesome. It's something cool and new and fresh into the SB line, and it doesn't look like any of the things that you're saying in the comments it looks like. I don't see it. I don't see much of anything. It doesn't really look like a tray, other than maybe the silhouette kind of looks like a tray. If you had a blacked out complete shadow version of this, it might be shaped like a Zoom tray. But other than that, that's all I really see. So yeah, this is it. It doesn't have a removable sock liner or insole. It's just like a glued in Ortholite insole. So you do have some padding in there, but you can't replace it. I mean, you could probably pull it out, but it'd be some work. But yeah, there you go. That's the new Vertebrae, $85. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of this new color as compared to the first drop color. So boom, that's it. We'll see you guys in the next one. All the best. Love Blue Tile, and try the Vertebrae, especially if you're trying to save a few bucks or 20 bucks. There you go. I'm gonna wrap it up. See you guys in the next one. Peace.